Now let's take a look at other compositing nodes from the Layers tab. All of the compositing nodes require an alpha channel, and they have no internal adjustments other than the clip mode. Let's load a script. So we'll click on Load, go to the pop-ups, Exercise Files, down to Chapter 20, and load ShakeScript 02. We have a foreground CGI 4-channel image, if you will, with this yellow circle. So that's a 4-channel image. And we also have another 4-channel image that represents this blue square. There's the alpha on that one. We're going to combine these using 4 different compositing nodes to see the different operations. We'll select the yellow circle, come down to the Layer tab, and click on the Atop node. That connects to the foreground, and now we'll connect that blue square. With the Atop node, the foreground only appears where there's a background alpha. If we switch to the alpha channel, we can see that. Now there's something very subtle I'd like to show you. Notice this edge, this soft edge where the two overlap. If we look at the original alpha channel edge from the background, it looks like this. But after the Atop operation, it looks like that. So it has inherited some aspects of the foreground's alpha channel. Back to our color channels. The use for the Atop node is, for example, if you wanted to put smoke on top of a CGI character. This way the smoke would only appear on the CGI character and no other area. Alright, let's delete the Atop node with the Delete key. We'll select the yellow circle, come down to the Layer tab, and select the Inside node. Connect up our background. The foreground only appears inside the background alpha channel. It also ignores the background RGB. As you can see, there's no blue here. Here's what the resulting alpha channel looks like. Back to our color channels. And this is used for masking images. All right, let's delete that. Select the yellow circle. And this time, let's go get the outside. Right here, the outside node. Connect up our background. The outside node composites the foreground everywhere it's outside of the background's alpha channel, and again ignores the background RGB channels. Here's what the alpha channel looks like. Back to the color. And you would use this for masking separate layers of a composite. Okay, let's delete that with the Delete key. Select the yellow circle again. This time we'll use the Under node. Select that. Attach our background. So this puts the foreground under the background image. In fact, the Under node is really the Over node with the inputs reversed. I can demonstrate that by selecting the yellow circle, do a shift click on the Over node, bring that down and connect the background. There's the Over, here's the Under. Now we'll take the Over node and swap the inputs. Now the Over node looks exactly like the Under node. Put them back. In this movie, we saw 4 more compositing nodes from the Layer tab, how they worked, and what they're used for.